So,
Yes.
now you can take the next step.
So the ritual basically goes that when it's finished, when you publish it, you nail it. I got the tools that I've been forging in my research. The hammer and the tongs, made without tools. And I'm going to nail that book. Then I'm just going to forge it first. Okay, so I've forged the nail now, and I have a hammer that I forged at my journeyman when I was traveling as a young blacksmith, and I like the symbolics of using that one to nail my thesis. So, let's do this. Let's nail this thing. Okay, so now it's public. Come here and read, or meet me at Zoom on June 4th. Now defend this thing.